Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Plug the iPhone in or confirm battery above 50% so the process won't fail. Back up your data to iCloud or to a computer. Once done, make sure the backup shows a recent timestamp. Next, sign out of your iCloud account to remove activation lock. Go to Settings, tap your name, and choose Sign Out. You do these steps now so the reset is clean, authorized, and recoverable if you change your mind. You now perform the core reset action. In Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode and Apple ID password when prompted to confirm. If the phone won't boot or you prefer a wired method, connect to a computer, open iTunes or Finder, choose the device, and click Restore iPhone. This downloads the latest iOS and reinstalls it. Make sure Wi-Fi. Once the erase completes, the iPhone restarts to the Hello setup screen. You can set it up as new or restore from the backup you made earlier. Sign in with your Apple ID to re-enable iCloud, Find My and Purchases. If the process stalls or an error appears, force restart the device and retry. If that fails, put the phone into recovery mode and restore via iTunes/Finder. This resolves most errors caused by corrupted downloads or partial restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.